If you spend a lot of time inside the Conversations tab, this update is a game changer. You can now save custom conversation views instead of rebuilding filters every single time. Here's how it works. Inside Conversations, look to the left and create a new view. From there, you can stack filters using and, or logic, which means you can get very specific. Unread messages, certain channels, assigned users, or priority conversations. Once you save it, that view stays there. No more refiltering. Just click and instantly switch between inbox setups. You can edit views later, remove them, or even share them with your team. Perfect for support, sales, or follow-ups. Pro tip: create separate views for urgent replies, missed messages, and active deals. It keeps your inbox clean and prevents things from slipping through. This feature doesn't just look good, it saves real time every day. If you live in Conversations, this is one update you should start using immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.